Haka Airforcean tarik ujamang arhajar arpoar, UMLA Kamalim constituency, ba Hamletson daling, ubadai umentri kasin RD, ulawan ban play yaga project, ha IDP ha vetenary apa shillong. Bat haka tegasngi ula karpa di Chief Minister kecila, bantai no ada ke veterinary hospital, haka tega jaka balapan nakispai sun jang ke Airforce. Shushu uba Hamletson daling, harangkat kipad ba jang kathan apa shillong ulaang banga pyrshah jur ya kani gajing tmu ban ai kani jaka jang ka vetenary syaki sipai sun.
Chief Minister, Mr. Conrad K. Sagma, who's the chief guest of this beautiful program, Mr. K.N. Kumar, Chairman, Biglia Farmers Commission, Secretary Vetenary, Mr. Manjunath, Deputy Secretary, Director of Livestock Intervention Project, with a special focus to increase or to transform the rural economy. We are all aware that cattle farming are very common in the state of Meghalaya. And the government used from time to time encourage people to come and take up this work. But if there is no plan, program and policies, it will be very, very difficult for the farmers to take up such a beautiful work. 5,000. That means all these individuals, they have to come in a group, 10 number and maximum 20. Suppose if you have 10 number, you'll get 50,000. But if you have 20 number, you will get 1 lakh. We are glad to inform you, even the government of India has taken the key initiative to increase or to boost the rural economy in the state of Meghalaya. Ketika bajur, kejendawai kedua ketika bajur. Henry dalam pi pada kinoram, kibarijuri, pimuan cakamat, pimeterlang, menuban pendapi kini yang berkuat. Ketika challenge jungi, balai kita nak kamu ikimar ki panabar. Dan nabar kila pimbiang spices ni balai ni nyamla. Yang ngak keru jam. Ketika kam ke bulan borong, kam ke bakra, kam ke bakirpan, mapi pitrestom, antang pipin bit pimbiang yang jokai yang saya mari pipin bit pimbiang ru. Nam tak kemang selang, berjuru nam tak jenakam jong stik hebra kabai. Bat ngak kermen scam. Balik kembali ke program, kenai ke cuma tua subuan, nam tak jopi, kibrahani kapor, bagi norep hak Islam gilahi bra kabai. But sir, before I take the seat, I just like to remind you one thing, that before in the previous government, there is an attempt to part away 2 acres of land to the Indian Air Force. Vetenary department has a huge land, beautiful land. But at that time, there is an idea to hand over 2 acres of land to Indian Air Force. Locally, the people of Milliam constituency, at the time also I was involved as the political leader, the people of the constituency and the Rangba